Ay, ilang araw na lang pala malapit nang magpasukan. Kaso lang hindi pa rin ako nakakapag-advance study. Paano na kaya ako nento sa first day of school? Ay, alam ko na, si Dola. Baka mamaya matulungan ako ni Dola.
Just simply type grade 12 UMS Key Reviewer and tada! Lalabas na lahat ng mga kailangan mong reviewin. And also, you can call Dola app to ask some questions that you didn't know.
What are some unique localized quantitative research topic related to the UMS strand and the Philippines?
Oh, great question. Here's a bunch of unique, localized quantitative research topics for Gen Z in the Philippines that'll make your paper stand out. First up, something super timely. Digital Bayanihan, measuring the frequency and impact of Gen Z's online collective action during natural disasters in the Visayas. You look at how they use social media to coordinate relief and quantify things like donation amounts or number of people helped. Then there's Lugao Economics, correlating Gen Z's food delivery spending habits with their perception of financial literacy in urban versus rural areas.
Diba? Sobrang bilis at convenient. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, itry mo na at mag-download ka na ng Dola app.